Louise. Easter is coming. Today we bake Easter bread.
Louise, what are you doing?
I'm going to bake Easter bread.
Let me help you, Louise. Easter bread is a special tradition we share with love. These are the ingredients for our Easter bread, Louise. First, we take milk.
Let me do it.
Okay, Louise. We need to add yeast, salt, and sugar. Yeast, salt, sugar. Now we take flour. Now we add flour.
I'm messy.
That's okay, Louise. Now we take an egg.
Can I crack it?
Yes, Louise, try.
Wow.
Now we add butter.
Yay.
Now we mix the dough.
Me too.
That's it, nice and slow. Now we knead the dough for our Easter bread.
It's so soft.
Yes, Louise, soft and warm. Now we divide the dough. We put the dough into Easter molds.
Look, a braid.
Now we bake our Easter bread.
Into the oven.
Yes, Louise. Wow, what beautiful Easter bread.
Yes! Where is Dad?
He is painting Easter eggs.
I'm going too.